Before we get started, I just want to rewrite our exponential model up here because we're going to need it for the next couple problems. So 998.94 times 0.54 to the x. That was our exponential model. So now for 21C, it's asking us to use the model to find the value of the phone after 6 years. So my x value represents my time. So what I'm going to do is take my model and I'm going to plug in 6 instead of x. So 998.94 times 0.54 to the 6th power. So now at this point, you would just be typing this into your calculator. And when you do that, it gives you 24.7686. So we're talking about the value, so that's money. So my final answer, I'm going to round to 2 decimal places. So 24.77, and that would be dollars. So that's after 6 years, your phone would be worth $24.77. Now we're going to go backwards for part D. It says, when will the value of the phone be $4? So now we're going to plug that into our y value and we're going to solve for x. So I'm going to do 4 equals 998.94 times 0.54 to the x. And we need to solve for x here. So the first thing we need to do is we need to isolate our exponential expression, which in this problem is this thing right here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 998.94. Okay, so these are going to cancel out. If I did 4 divided by 998.94, it's going to give us a really tiny number. I'm going to move my work over here. So if I divided 4 by 998.94, I'm going to round this to 4 decimal places. I would get 0.0040, and that would equal 0.54 to the x. Now I can put this into logarithmic form. Usually we have the exponential expression on the left. So what I'm going to do is just flip-flop the two sides. 0.54 to the x equals 0.0040. So in logarithmic form, it would be log base 0.54 of 0.0040 equals x. So log base 0.54 of 0.0040 equals x. So now this thing that I just wrote on the left, when you type that into our calculator, that's going to give you the answer for this problem. This is going to tell us how many years it would take before this is worth, this phone is worth $4. So I type it into my calculator and it gives me 8.9607, but we're talking about years, and it asks us specifically to round it to the nearest tenth of a year. So that's 1 decimal place. So if I look 1 decimal place, that's 9, but this 6 right here would change this 9 to a 10. So the rounded answer is actually going to be 9.0 years. So in approximately 9 years, the value of this phone would be $4.